Welcome back to Cooking Explorer. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make mixed fruit jam as Sri Lankan style. In the very beginning, I have taken one pineapple. So I'm going to chop all this into dices. And then we need papaya, watermelon, chopped onion, tomato, cinnamon stick and cardamom, as well as dates too. Let's blend all the fruits and the tomatoes till it make fine pulp, and then preheat a pot. I have used clay pot. Add some oil and chopped onion, cinnamon stick, cardamom too. Let it turn golden brown color. Now it's time to add the puree. Add the paste of dates. Give it a good mix. Let's add pinch of salt and then 100 gram of sugar. Let's cook in a medium flame around 10 to 15 minutes till the puree gets thick. Now you can see the jam getting thick. In this stage you can use cashew nut or peanuts. Give it a good mix and let it cool down. This mixed fruit jam is super delicious with any kind of rice. This kind of homemade jam does not contain preservation and artificial colors too. Hope you guys enjoy my video today. If you like, give a thumb up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell button for more videos. Thank you.